Hi, I'm Prayag Chakradhar, curator of Gallery Exhibit 320. We are a Delhi-based gallery. So we are exhibiting 6 artists in this space. We have young artists to senior artists, and the artist I would like to show you is Deepak Kumar. So Deepak's works are mostly, I would say Deepak is more than a artist. He's more of a biologist or and a archivist kind of person for me. So his works are literally archives of the spaces that he's seen over last 10-15 years. So he lives in Greater Noida, and his works basically represent the map of Greater Noida and the changing landscape of it. Because when you have, so these particular series talk about there was my native land. So the works are not talking about our native land, but they're talking about the native land of these plants and weeds. They have created a parking lot right now. So when they create, because of human intervention, these weeds that used to grow there are gone. So there were particular bird species that used to come there. There were particular insects that used to come there. And Deepak's works are so highly researched that when you see his work, so for example, when you see this weed, he's measured each and every centimeter or an inch that whatever changes that he's seen in the particular weed in past 5-7 years, if there is a 3 mm decrease in the wing of a butterfly, or if there is a color change in the wing of a butterfly. And one of the reasons is that when we start construction at a particular place, we destroy the natural habitat. Those leads to these changes. So, thoroughly researching it, documenting it, and then presenting it as an artwork. These are bronze pieces. Then again, creating something so fragile into something so structural and heavy. That's Deepak Kumar for us.